How to look naturally beautiful even on bad days. Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today, let's talk about how to look your absolute best, even on those bad days. We all have them, right? But don't worry, because I've got some amazing tips for you. This video includes embracing natural beauty, skincare, grooming, dressing, makeup, hairstyle, and posture. Let's start. Embrace your natural beauty. First things first, remember that you are gorgeous just the way you are. Bad days happen to everyone, but it's important to accept and embrace your natural beauty. Start by taking care of yourself from the inside out. Eat healthy, exercise, and get enough sleep. Trust me, when you feel good on the inside, it radiates on the outside. Skincare. Next up, let's pamper ourselves with a rejuvenating skincare routine. Even on bad days, taking care of your skin can make a massive difference. Cleanse, tone, moisturize. A simple routine goes a long way. And don't forget the power of a good face mask. Treat yourself to a mini spa session right at home. Grooming. On bad days, it's essential to pay extra attention to grooming. Brush your teeth, style your hair, and keep it neat. Trim and shape your eyebrows to enhance your facial features. These small grooming habits can make a big difference. Dress confidently. When it comes to looking your best, your outfit plays a major role. Use fashion as a form of self-expression and choose clothes that make you feel comfortable and confident. Use outfits that flatter your body shape and reflect your personal style. When you feel confident in what you're wearing, it can positively impact your overall appearance. Mix and match, accessorize, and show off your unique style. Remember, even on a bad day, you can always put together a killer outfit. Makeup. Now let's explore the world of makeup magic. A little bit of makeup can do wonders for your self-esteem, even on bad days. Keep it simple and focus on enhancing your natural features. Applying a bit of makeup, such as concealer or tinted moisturizer, can help even out your complexion if needed. A touch of mascara, a swipe of your favorite lip color, and voila, you're ready to conquer the world. Hairstyle. Don't forget about your hair. It's your crowning glory. Experiment with different hairstyles that suit your mood and make you feel fabulous. Whether it's a sleek ponytail, a messy bun, or loose waves, rock it with confidence and own that bad day. Practice good posture. Stand tall and maintain good posture. Slouching can make you appear less confident and can affect your overall appearance. Practice keeping your shoulders back and your head held high. It not only makes you look better, but also helps you feel more confident. Smile. Lastly, the secret ingredient to looking your best even on bad days is a genuine smile. Smile because you're beautiful inside and out. It's the best accessory you can wear and instantly brightens your entire look. So chin up, smile wide, and let your beauty shine. Remember, looking your best is not just about physical appearance, but also about feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin. Embrace your uniqueness and focus on self-care to radiate a positive and attractive aura, even on bad days.